Hi, welcome to the lab here at Nanoscience Instruments. I'm Dr. Michael Stoller, and this is the Phenom Pharos G2 desktop scanning electron microscope from Thermo Fisher Scientific. It is the only desktop SEM with a field emission electron source, giving you an exceptionally high resolution. In less than a minute, the Pharos is ready to start taking an image. The instrument's magnification range is up to 2 million x and has a resolution down to 2 nanometers, thanks to the field emission electron source. The Phenom automation features streamline repetitive tasks, reducing user error and improving efficiency. Additional software packages enable elemental analysis and 3D topographic mapping, allowing for full customization of the instrument. Loading a sample is simple. The user can use tweezers to slide a sample stub into the slot on the holder. Working distance can be adjusted up to 35 millimeters, using the ring at the edge of the sample holder. All the detectors in the Pharos SEM use the same working distance, so the working distance won't need to be adjusted during the analysis. After the sample is loaded, the door is closed, the imaging process begins. The integrated navigation camera shows an optical image of the sample holder, and this is used to navigate to the target area. The controls are easy, clicking to move and scrolling to zoom. Once the user has identified the location they want to image, they can click on the Move to SEM button in the software. This starts the pump down procedure. Once the pump down process is complete, the imaging is ready to begin. The Phenom Pharos only takes 30 seconds to generate the conditions needed to start image acquisition. When the sample is under the electron beam and it is seen on the live view, the user can start adjusting the settings for image acquisition. On the left are auto contrast brightness and auto focus buttons that optimize the image. The image is captured and saved to the computer by clicking the camera icon. The navigation camera window is accessed by clicking on the arrow on the right side of the screen. The user can select a new sample or location in this window and can start imaging at this location. The lower bar displays magnification, voltage, intensity, and the detector used for imaging. Clicking on these values gives options to change to preset values. The drop-down menu at the top of the screen has additional controls for imaging parameters. There is also an advanced menu that is password protected, where even more options are available. The system can be further customized in the settings page. Additional information on the sample can be obtained using other software packages. The EDS feature gives information about the chemical composition of the sample for elemental analysis. The EDS button opens EDS mode, and clicking on the sample starts EDS analysis. The spectra acquisitions are displayed on the bottom of the screen, and the chemical compositions are displayed in the side panel. When the analysis is complete, the user can use the optical image that they acquired before to quickly navigate to a different position. ChemiSem and ChemiPhase are additional software features that utilize EDS analysis. With ChemiSem, both the sample morphology and elemental distribution are overlaid on live SEM images in real time. This helps with identifying areas of interest, detecting contaminants, and understanding elemental makeups. With ChemiPhase, areas with similar elemental compositions can be grouped to identify distinct phases in a sample. The STEM sample holder is for transmission imaging of thin samples like tissues or carbon nanomaterials. The Pharos is the only desktop SEM that is capable of true STEM imaging, producing high-quality micrographs even at low voltages. The STEM sample holder has an integrated detector which is automatically recognized by the instrument for ease of use. It is compatible with standard TEM grids, which are 3 millimeters in diameter. There are other ways to customize the Pharos experience. Software packages include tools such as image stitching, 3D roughness reconstruction, particle and pore analysis, and fiber analysis. Custom scripting can also be used to automate repetitive tasks, like particle detection and multiple image acquisitions. Thanks for joining us for this overview of the Phenom Pharos G2. If you have any additional questions or want to look at your samples on the Pharos, please contact us at nanoscience.com.